Hello everyone, before we start our adventure, I'd like to tell you a few short details about how the trip happened. So me and other people got invited to a group. The core meetup was happening in China in two different cities from December 1st to December 5th. But also plus 1-2 days for arrival and departure because we were all coming from like the entire world. After checking with everyone else, it looked like me and Overzee would travel together from Dubai to China, and that includes the Dubai overlay, and which for me it was about 13 hours. When I had to go back to Romania, I would go with Eddie Ross in the same Turkish Airlines flight. The layover was happening in Istanbul, and I had some miles that I upgraded the flight from Istanbul to Bucharest. I upgraded to business. It was the first business class flight. But we'll get to that later. Since my flight was arriving very late, me and Overzee were able to arrive before everyone else 1 day earlier basically. So now let's start the adventure. Can't believe we are going on a trip again. Here we go. I got my stuff here. I'm not gonna expose everything, but like we're sure to go. We need to change, and it's currently my watch is charging. Hold up, it's 10:46, so I still have a bit. My flight is at like 2, but I have to be to the airport at like 12, so good. Bye bye, Kato. So this is pretty much the only space that I can actually talk, just because this plane is like very crowded, and for some reason the people that are like sitting next to me just instantly went to sleep, so I'm not gonna judge them. I mean, it's a long flight, and I guess they're not locals, so who knows what stuff they've been through. This is the bathroom basically. I mean, of course it's the bathroom, and it's a very small place, very small place, like I can barely fit in. Other than that, the new Stranger Things season just arrived, and so I downloaded every single episode that's available right now, and I have it on my tablet. And so I think when I arrive to Dubai, I'll have to wait for Overzee to arrive. I'll have 3 hours to myself. I'm already convinced that I'm gonna watch like maybe 2 episodes of Stranger Things, just because it's gonna be really fun. And we have some plans regarding Dubai, just because we stay for like 10 hours. I mean, I have 14 hours and he has almost 11 hours of overlay. We might go to the lounge and stuff, but stay tuned and you'll see soon exactly what we have planned. Back in my seat, 4 hours to go. Alright, we're in Dubai. You're probably wondering why I'm outside of Terminal 2, like why am I not in the airport right now? Well, turns out Romania doesn't have visa for Dubai. I mean, I already knew this, but the best thing about it is like I have 14 hours of labor to do, and Overzee arrives about maybe 3 hours from now on, and so I have like a total of 3 hours to do anything. And so what I decided actually is to like go and eat somewhere local here and not go into the airport, because we're gonna go to the lounge maybe. And so this is pretty much what I'm gonna do. We have a shawarma place in like 1.5 kilometer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go. So I walked about 4 kilometers or something. It's been like a long walk, but it's fine. I'm very hungry right now, but I'm excited to it. It's very noisy in here. I'm currently waiting for my food. I got 2 cans of Mountain Dew just because I'm very thirsty, and I'm almost out of water. After that, we can take the metro and then switch it to something else. I don't know if it's like a bus or a metro again, but we can switch it up, and then we're gonna end up in Terminal 1. Oh yeah. Fast forward just a tiny bit, and now we're at the metro. I paid 5 or 6 dirhams for this ticket that allows me to get all the way to the terminal. and in comparison, like taxes are like 70 dirhams, so it's a big difference. I eventually met up with Overzy. He didn't want to do an interview, so I'm okay with that. We went up straight to the lounge, and here is the experience. This is how complimentary life feels like. 2 plates, 1 plate. Yeah? Who said you need a happy wife to have a happy life when you have lounge passes? Since I wanted to take a shower, I quickly went to the place that we were able to take showers, and you won't expect what I found there. You literally have full-on jacuzzi inside a freaking like lounge. Wow. Not only that, but this is how Minecraft looks when you have a good PC. This is how it looks. Because I like that actually, Chris, like check this out. This is all long colored corridors. Wanna watch something cool? Watch this. You wanna know what happens if I press 3 times on this? Hello. How are you? So, I actually managed to sleep for 1 hour and my face is completely destroyed. But other than that, I'm great. So, I'm here with just myself, and Overzy is definitely not right beside me. He's just a bit tired, I guess. So I'll have to talk about the lounge experience myself. I have no idea what to say. So he was supposed to go to some shops at like 6, and because he had like 3 hours entry. Revolut had 1 more hour because I got a pass from Revolut and I can check out at 7. So since if I were to check out at 7, we have like 3 more hours until our flight, and also need to check the baggage situation because that's a bit fucked up. We can just stay for like 20 more minutes until my pass expires and we can check out. I mean, he already checked out, so he's just staying here and no one is noticing him, which is actually pretty dope. So in like 20 minutes I'm going to check out from this lounge, and after that we're gonna go to the train, the metro thing. We go to the B gates, and Overzy has some like purchases that he wants to do, for example like Dubai chocolate, because we're in Dubai and that's the obvious one thing that you should do, right? Let me quickly tell you what happened with my baggage. So because I came from Romania, I landed in Terminal 2, and apparently they cannot transfer the baggage from Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. I don't know why, but the thing is they can transfer items from Terminal 3 to Terminal 2. And in Terminal 2 you have low budget companies like Fly Dubai, Wizz Air and Ryanair. So is it because they think we're poor? Like, what's the reason behind it? I don't know. My baggage was placed into the conveyor, you know, it started doing, I don't know, drifting on there all by itself, and I had to talk with the Emirates crew about it, and they said they were going to take the baggage back. I had zero trust in that, but I'll have to like check it out if they actually did it or not. It wasn't that nice. So guess what? They have my baggage. Finally, they found it. I mean, it wasn't lost in the first place, but it was still like a not so pleasant experience. It's currently 9:30. I have no idea how this looks on camera. And they switched to the gate like 2 times already. So we have to go right. Well, let's go right. Come on. We're going. Yes. We're going. Final plane. Another 7 hours and like 15 minutes maybe. Oh, and that's not our plane.
I knew it because
Yeah.
I read somewhere that it was a Boeing.
Yeah, this is the one. We got scammed.
Oh, and one more thing happened. I wasn't able to check in via the app, so I got the worst seat ever. Like, I had only one available seat and it wasn't great. I was so bad. After eating, I went to the bathroom, and this is the biggest economy bathroom that I've seen in a long while. This was so nice. After another 7 hours of flights, we arrived in Shenzhen, China.
So I got my luggage, thankfully. Overzy is still waiting for the second one. He got one for now. And we have this queue that's very all the way there. We just did it. Oh, here it is. This is the car. Nice seat. Not gonna lie, I have some flashbacks with this. You remember the treasure hunt, and I wasn't able to go back just because this space was like really tight. To have, oh my god, so much space.
Finally.
I'll go in the back.
Go back, yeah.
Go back. I don't Did he just leave me? This guy just left me with half of his luggage. Seriously. Oh, come on. Alright, oh, I don't see anything here. Insert contactless card for power. Oh, like this. Whoa. Whoa, this is like a whole, oh, hold up, this is a whole hub just for me. Oh, this is the bathroom, hold up. Let me bring the phone with me. Okay. Oh, come on. How do we insert card? Oh, okay, never mind, I'm stupid. Alright, so first, the bathroom. Toilet, huge shower. This is whatever. Now this is the lobby, that's a mini fridge for me. I'm gonna use that later. Oh yeah, nice. And now the room. Whoa. Whoa, I can hear the echo. Damn, this is a whole fucking apartment. No, this is literally just an apartment at this point. It's a very big place, actually. I was not expecting it to be that huge. Okay, let's see the view. I can't see shit here. Wait, let's start like this. Yeah, okay. Maybe it wasn't that great of an idea to put my phone into the tripod right now, but we're at the 18th floor and we do have some views.
I'm just checking in.
You good, bro? You good?
No,
Yeah, so turns out Yash was sick and we were all hungry, so we went to find a place that was opened and just eat something.
We're currently back at the hotel. It is currently, where's my watch? 2 a.m. and I want to go to sleep. Also, I took a shower, so my head is like everywhere. But yeah, not done much stuff today. I'm tired, I want to sleep, and that's kinda pretty much it, because today tomorrow will be the first actual day. I also placed some orders on Taobao. I hope they arrive. I checked for products that are shipped from Guangzhou or Guangdong or like nearby, so they should be shipped and also delivered in like maximum of 2 days, and I'm staying for free. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Tomorrow is another day. I did a FNAF 4 reference.